how to find archived emails in Gmail. So boys and girls, first off, I'm going to show you how you can archive an email. So you want to select it, and then you want to click on this second option which says archive. All right, and it gets removed from our inbox. Now where does it go? I'm about to show you. You want to click on the more option right here, and then you want to navigate to all email. Now how can you tell apart the archived mails from the regular emails? Well, as you can see, on almost every single one it says inbox, but this one, the second one and the sixth one, it does not say inbox. This means that these two emails are archived. So that is where you locate all of your emails. There is not a separate tab for archived emails, but that is how you find them. You go to more, all mail, and you search for ones which do not have the inbox tab in front of them. Now, how can you unarchive them? As you can see, if we go next to an not archived email, we have the option to archive it. But if we go to one which is already archived, as you can see, we cannot. Okay, so how can we return an archived email to our inbox? Well, all we have to do is right click on it, and then you have this option, move to inbox. So now that we've moved it to our inbox, it is no longer archived. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.